This is the third and the last part of the workflow series. In the earlier parts, we have got a brief overview about the workflow and we have designed a workflow for our use case. Now we will see how we can execute that workflow. For executing the workflow, I am using admin console or app server. You can do the same through Postman or client app as well. Workflow is tightly coupled to the linked object. In order to execute a workflow, we have to make create and update calls to the linked object. In our example, workflow starts when our user submits a loan application. So when the user submits the loan application, we will create a new record in the loan database with the details of the user. We will search for our object here and execute a create verb with the user details. Now the record have been created and the link workflow has also triggered. In order to see that, we will go to the workflow tab, search for our workflow, select our instance of the workflow. This is the workflow audit history. Here you can see the path that our workflow instance has followed and all the nodes that were executed. So it has executed the start node, then the submit loan application user task, then it made a service call to get the credit score, then it checked for the loan eligibility, and then it came to the exclusive gateway. Since the output of the eligibility check was review, it followed the review path. In the review path, the first node was message task to send an email to the reviewer. And now it's waiting for at the review user task for the reviewer to approve or reject the loan application. Now let's check the mail. You can see the loan amount, credit rating and credit history. Based on the data, I am going to approve this loan. For that, I am going to update the same record with the status approved. Now we will go back to the workflow audit history. After the reviewer has reviewed the loan application, the reviewer decision is evaluated at the exclusive gateway and the approved path is taken. An email is sent to the user saying that your loan has been approved and the workflow ends with the end node. So this was a brief walkthrough of the workflow. For more information, you can visit Quantum documentation. Thank you.